Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Fahad Omar Studios and into another episode in our lifestyle motivational videos. In an age where the threads of tranquility are intertwined with turmoil, a prophetic message resonates more profoundly than ever before. Near the establishment of the hour, days will come when religious ignorance will spread, knowledge will vanish, and there will be much al-harj, which means killing. Sahih al-Bukhari. These words, spoken centuries ago, paint a vivid picture of the times we live in. A time when wisdom is overshadowed by confusion and peace is shattered by conflict. But within this prophecy lies a beacon of hope, a call to action for each one of us. It's a reminder to anchor ourselves in what truly matters. Our response to these challenging times, to prepare, not with fear, but with faith. We need to deposit into our special bank account, which has a number 24434, not in a bank currency, but of spiritual wealth. The currency I'm talking about is 2 units at dawn, as the first light breaks the dark, 4 units at noon, when the sun reigns high, another 4 in the afternoon as shadows lengthen, 3 units at sunset, marking the day's end, and 4 units at night in the quietude that follows. Each prayer, a deposit of faith, of hope, and resilience. In times of uncertainty, these acts of devotion light our path, guiding us through darkness towards a dawn of understanding and peace. In the midst of chaos, let us find clarity in our faith. In the spread of ignorance, let us be beacons of knowledge and compassion. For in our hands lie the power to shape not just our destiny, but the legacy we leave for generations to come. In times of uncertainty, let us be the light. Join us in spreading light in times of darkness. Together, let us prepare for a future grounded in peace and spiritual resilience. Wabillahi tawfiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.